Welcome to Technology with Damian.
On this website, you can get paid up to $100 per project to do easy jobs like moving boxes, assemble a desk, and more.
Do this to get free access to tons of tools that people normally pay for. Number 1 is this website. This website has tons of tools that you can use for free. Number 2 is this website. On this website, you can use all their tools without any hourly limit or restrictions. Number 3 is this website. This website has a whole different categories of tools unlike the other two websites. Select any tool you want and use it for